So this is a concrete pad done by Transit Paving over here in Medicine Hat. And you can see the tire marks here. What happened is they finished the concrete, applied Protec III original, and 6 hours after the finishing was done, or actually placement was done, someone went and drove over the concrete here. As you can see here. And the worst that happened is just a tiny little scuff. Some sand, nothing really too serious. Let's see here. If there's any kind of, yeah, you can see just a little bit of the broom marks were dented. So what Protec III does is it hardens the surface. You can apply it into the actual finishing process. So you can just screed your concrete, place your product at about 300 square feet per gallon, and then do your normal finishing, and that will cure your concrete, harden it, and set the surface up faster so that you have a little bit of insurance against any kind of unexpected traffic, as you could say. And yeah, looks very good. It also adds salt resistance and harden and densify the surface. So very great product, very useful, and very versatile for many applications.